Well, viewers, in this video we shall learn how to calculate basic operation, how to do basic operations in mathematics, like calculating the mean, median, mode, minimum score, how to find out the minimum score, maximum scores, and as well as number of scores in a set of scores, right? So if we have small set of scores or larger set of scores, even then also you can use this simple formula to calculate those things, right? So for that, let me make use of the numbers. So randomly I am going to give you numbers. So these are the scores that I have taken to calculate or to do mean, median, mode, or minimum scores, or to find out maximum scores. So for these scores, let me find out the total number of scores. So how can we find out the total number of scores? Total number of scores refers to the count, how many numbers we have here. If you have lot many scores in your data and if you don't know how many scores are there, just make use of this formula. Place equal, then type count, open the bracket and select the set of scores for which you want to find the number, right? So there are 12 scores in this particular number of scores, right? So now we shall know. So this is what we have found out. We have found out the count, right? So now we shall know how to find out the sum of these scores. So how can we find the sum of these scores? Just place the cursor here and type is equal to and type SUM, open the bracket. For these set of scores I want to find the sum. Okay, close the bracket and press. It is 235. Or else you can also do this simple by placing here and going for auto sum. Enter. So the same value you will get. So in either way you can do that. So if you find out the average for these scores, how is that we are going to find out? So we will type is equal to and average for what? Average for these scores. So let me select these scores and close the bracket and enter. So 19.58 is the average score. If we want to find out the median score, so how is that we are going to find? Type is equal to median open bracket, select these scores, close bracket and then enter. So 24 is the median. If we want to find out the mode for these scores, so how is that we are going to do? We are going to do equals mode, open the bracket and select the set of scores for which you wish to find out the mode. Okay, so close the bracket and press. So 24, median and mode both are same here, right? But average, that is the mean, it is 19.58. Okay, so then if you want to find out the minimum score in this set of scores, then how is that you are going to do? So minimum type equals min, open bracket, select the set of scores, close bracket, enter. So minimum is 1, it is visible here. 1 is the minimum score. Then maximum, in order to find out the maximum, same way you have to do that. Equals max, open the bracket, select the array of scores, close the bracket, enter. 29 is the maximum score. So this is how we will calculate a few things by using the simple formula. So thank you for watching this video.